Guys, and welcome back to my video. So in this video, we're just going to give you an overview of the application that we are going to be building, right? Our job board application. We are continuing with our job board series, right? So we are going to be implementing our Express.js server, right, in Flutter using Reverpod as our state management package, and also Freezed to create our model classes, right? So basically, we are just going to be implementing these Figma designs right here, right? So I'm just going to show you how to turn these Figma designs into what? Into a real world application, right? And then let's just log in into the application, and then let's see some of the features, right? So as you can see, we have this, this is going to be like our home screen, and then we have these categories, job vacancy categories. So you can see no vacancies found in the cashier, software engineer, and then system administrator, there are no vacancies. And also we have this nice filter where you can just like filter the job vacancies by searching, right? So implementing full text search, right? And then you can use that full text search to filter the vacancies right there. Then you can see, I can even search for, like, say, for example, Flutter. As you can see now, we get this right there. And then you can see we have our favorites right there. And then our favorites, right? You can delete favorites, or you can add a vacancy to favorites you get. And then we also have our settings screen. Our settings screen, we have the profile, which is the user profile, whereby you can edit it. And then we also have your resume. You can see we have this resume right there. If you click on a resume, you can see you can easily navigate through the resume, and you can see, right? And then you can also like this is the vacancy details page, right? Then add this to favorites, as you can see. And then you can also apply, right? Select a resume to apply. And then you can send an application. You can see I still have like a minor bug which I'm going to fix, right? And then let's say if you try to send an application to a vacancy that you have already sent an application, you get this, you have already applied to a vacancy, right? So thanks for watching, guys. So I've already put like an initial, you can check inside of my GitHub. I've like put a project, a basic Flutter skeleton with all the dependencies that we are going to need. So you can just fork that project, and then in the next video, we'll start implementing user authentication.